Welcome to Leatherings, the podcast that keeps you up to date with the latest trends and style inspirations. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting piece to spotlight: buckle collar leather jacket. Get ready to dive into the world of genuine leather, sleek design, and functional details. This jacket is crafted from genuine leather, ensuring durability and a timeless appeal. The semi-aniline finish adds a touch of sophistication and showcases the natural beauty of the leather grain. The rich brown collar adds warmth and versatility to your wardrobe, making it a perfect choice for any outfit. One of the standout features of this jacket is the buckle collar, which adds a touch of rugged charm and elevates the overall style. The buckle detailing not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also allows for a customizable fit, ensuring that you can adjust the collar to your liking. Comfort is essential, and the buckle collar leather jacket delivers on that front. The quilted viscose lining provides warmth and a cozy feel, making it an ideal companion during colder seasons. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality, ensuring that you can look fashionable while staying comfortable. The zipper closure adds a touch of modernity and convenience, allowing for easy and secure fastening. No more fussing with buttons or snaps. The zipper closure ensures a hassle-free experience. It also adds a sleek and streamlined look to the jacket's overall design. Storage is always a concern, but this jacket has you covered. With 2 inside pockets, you can safely keep your essentials close at hand. Whether it's your wallet, phone, or keys, you can store them securely within easy reach. Additionally, the 4 outside pockets offer ample space for additional storage or a place to warm your hands during colder days. The buttoned cuffs are another stylish detail that sets this jacket apart. They add a touch of sophistication while allowing for adjustable comfort. You can choose to wear the cuffs buttoned up for a polished look or unbuttoned for a more relaxed vibe. The buckle collar leather jacket is a versatile piece that can be styled in numerous ways. Pair it with jeans and a t-shirt for a casual yet stylish outfit, or dress it up with tailored trousers and a crisp shirt for a more refined ensemble. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Leatherings. Stay tuned for more fashion insights and style tips. Until next time.